Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.10, Problem 27. This is Section 2.10, Problem 27. We have 3 over 10 plus 1/2 in parentheses raised to the second power. So there's really two things going on in this problem. We have an addition and we have an exponent. The exponent must be done before addition. So I'm going to rewrite the problem as 3 over 10 plus 1/2 to the second power is 1/2 times 1/2 again. And like I say, that has to be done first. Just to emphasize that, I can put some parentheses here. I need to do the 1/2 times 1/2 before I can do the plus 3 over 10. So as I come down one more line, let me leave the 3 over 10 for one more step. Leave the plus. 1/2 times 1/2, so when I multiply fractions, top times top, 1 times 1 is 1, bottom times bottom, 2 times 2 is 4. Now, I have 3 over 10 plus 1 over 4. So when I add fractions or subtract them, I need to have a common denominator. So 10 and 4 has a common denominator. A good one would be 20. So I'll make them both something over 20. Now, for the 10, how would I turn it into a 20? I would do that by multiplying times 2. 10 times 2 is 20, so I have to multiply times the same value for the numerator, times 2. 3 times 2 would be 6. So 6 over 20 is equivalent to 3 over 10. Same process with the 1/4. I had a denominator of 4, it became a denominator of 20. How did that happen? I multiplied times 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So the numerator of 1 has to be multiplied times the same value of 5. 1 times 5 is 5. So 5 over 20 is equivalent to 1/4. Now I have common denominators. Both have a denominator of 20. So when I have this, I can keep the common denominator and combine the numerators. 6 plus 5 more is 11. So the final answer is 11 over 20.